Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azar, and today I'm going to be making fluffy slime. I already got one slime in here, and this is going to be my second time. Soon I'm going to make a slime collection. It's going to be a white glitter fluffy slime. So let's get started. So I know what to put this. Put it right here. Okay. So I got this. Sorry, I was taking so long. I know I just changed it to cover that. First thing you're gonna need to do, put some. I'm doing it. I don't put on my glove. Okay, that's enough glue. If y'all let me don't want to put on the glue, can't carry it. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. That's enough. Y'all be back. I think gotta find something to stir with. So let me stir. I think this is my first time making fluffy slime. I don't know, I forgot. I think I need more. I think I put more shaving cream than glue. So I have it. Put a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. My sister don't know how to slime. That's why I really put it down. That's not real bad for me. Never me. So, yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and hand. I think I added way too much. I have to wait and add more. Worst fluffy slime ever. Look at this fluffy slime. Oh, I'm gonna cut that up. This guy. This could be it. This could be remember. To add the glitter. Well, first I gotta get all this stuff out to make it look better. That's okay. So I'm gonna go. Go. plastic color. Oh, this is very funky. Is that making purple? Like, is that purple? Is that plastic? Butter slime, you know, I said stretchy. I said stretchy. Yeah. Yeah, my. Ow. Ow. Did I just touch her? Ow. Ow. So bad. Yeah. I'm gonna go. Shoot. So, here. I don't know if you can see it, but look at all that glitter. I put more gold in here. I put a little bit more. I put more gold in there. Then I think I'll put more blue. I like blue. I should put more blue. Should have just added blue. Here it is now. Okay, now I can see all of them. There's all of it. Okay. Comment down below if you want to see this so cool. My three friends, Samara Hicks, Aaliyah Hicks, sorry. So let me start over. Samara Hicks, Aaliyah Starks, and Skylar Hauser. I don't even look at her channel that much. I forgot how to spell. Okay, don't say nothing. So that's I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you this. I'm not gonna take it out because it's sticky. So yeah, but yeah, that's all for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Go test this out. And yeah, if y'all wondering what kind of shaving cream I use, I'm gonna show you. Per Silk. This worked very good, so y'all should try it. So yeah, and that was Emma's right here. And
I'm coming. Hold on.
right here in it. That hair in my side. It's disgusting. So don't put this on your clothes. See?
Hey, you won't call me. You was in my bathroom? You duking in the toilet?
No, because when I had went in there, I was duking in the toilet, so I went to mommy bathroom. So I couldn't get in there. Did I end this video? Why y'all sit here? Peace.